been curling for about 18 years.
I just realized recently that I enjoy curling. I tried it, and it's a fun sport.
I have been curling for 5 years.
I've been curling for probably about 25, 30 years.
The curling club is thrilled with receiving the $2,500 donation from Tirecraft. Well, if I win the $100,000 prize, I think my plan is to try and pay the rest of our mortgage off.
My curling club is so excited. We are a 100% volunteer curling club. All of our bartenders and ice makers are all volunteers. So the fact that the club has actually won $2,500 is so exciting. If I hit the button and won the $100,000 from Tirecraft, it would be absolutely life-changing. We have a young family, so it would be amazing just to be able to pay off the house and take a great family vacation. I don't know, there's so much we would love to do.
If I was to win $100,000, I would like to take a vacation with the family.
If I hit the button curling and win the $100,000, the money will go to good use to my kids' education. We have 5 children and 3 of them are in university right now, so they need all the help they can get.